tiny polypropylene pearls begins the journey of crafting the perfect packing tape.
Each pellet must meet exacting standards before transformation begins.
Pneumatic vanes carry the raw material toward its first transformation. At the extruder's mouth, plastic prepares to become liquid fire. Inside the barrel, solid pellets surrender to extreme heat. From the die's lips, a sheet of liquid plastic is born. Polished steel drums lock the molten sheet into its first solid form. Heated rollers pull the film longer, aligning its molecular soul. Hundreds of metal jaws grip the film, preparing for sideways stretch. Now stretched in two directions, the film achieves remarkable strength and clarity. Razor-sharp blades trim away imperfection, leaving only flawless film.
Lasers measure the film's thickness in microns, ensuring perfection.
Layer upon layer, the master roll grows into a transparent giant. Tons of pristine BOPP film, ready for the next stage.
Before adhesion, the film's surface must be electrically awakened.
Tiny lightning bolts open the film's molecular doors for the adhesive. In a vast steel cauldron, the adhesive heart of the tape is born. Viscosity, tackiness, density, cling, every property must be perfect. Through gleaming pipes, the adhesive races toward its destiny. A precise river of adhesive bonds to the film with surgical accuracy. In the drying tunnel, water evaporates, leaving pure adhesive bonds. Hot, precise air locks the adhesive into perfect grip.
Cooled and stabilized, the adhesive now waits to embrace its partner.
The adhesive jumbo roll is born. A giant, ready to become 1,000 small ones. From its birthplace, the jumbo roll travels to face the slitting blades. Mounted and locked, the giant prepares for division into many. Sturdy cardboard cores wait, ready to host the finished tape. Razor edges align with surgical precision, ready to divide. In a single moment, one becomes many, a board, perfectly identical, precisely sliced. Each cardboard core gains its own perfect, transparent skin. Constant tension, perfectly maintained theory, the secret to flawless rolls. At the perfect diameter, the cut is made, each roll its own individual. One by one, the finished rolls begin their inspection journey. Trained eyes examine every micron, every layer, every perfection. Each gram tells a story of consistency. Precision is non-negotiable. Pull strength tested. The adhesive proves its unbreakable bond. Stretched to its limits, the tape proves its resilience. In perfect formation, the rolls march toward identification. A label of identity is born, brand, batch, and quality stamped. A protective skin embraces each finished masterpiece. Heat seals the protection, every roll now perfectly preserved. 6 perfect rolls unite, strength found in unity. Flat cardboard transforms into containers worthy of the product. 6 rolls find their home in branded packaging. In poetic justice, the tape they made now seals their journey forward. Each box receives its unique fingerprint, fully traceable from origin. With mathematical precision, boxes form perfect layers on wooden pallets. Layer by layer, hundreds of boxes rise in perfect interlocking design. A final embrace of plastic locks the pallet into one unified shipment. With its passport applied, the pallet is ready for global travel. Powered by quiet electricity, the load begins its warehouse journey. In the cathedral of finished goods, the pallet awaits its destination. A digital fingerprint joins the global supply chain database.
Selected and retrieved, the destined pallet begins its outbound journey. Selected and retrieved, the destined pallet begins its outbound journey. In the staging zone, pallets gather for their global departure. A waiting vessel arrives, ready to carry the cargo onward.
All set, ready to load.
Pallet by pallet, the trailer fills with packaging excellence.
First pallet secured, count verified.
The process continues with practiced efficiency.
Next pallet in position, all clear.
With ceremony of signatures, responsibility transfers to the road. With every wheel turn, the tape begins its journey to 1,000 destinations. Around the clock, the symphony of production never sleeps. In sterile labs, science guards the perfection promised by every roll. At microscopic scale, we glimpse the molecular precision of perfect tape. Data tells the story, every batch judged against decades of perfection. An official seal certifies excellence. The batch joins history. One roll, chosen to represent the millions made with this precision. Behold, the result of countless precise transformations. Now we witness the destiny of every roll, to seal, to secure, to deliver. In one elegant motion, the tape fulfills its lifelong purpose. Tested with weight, the seal holds without compromise. From parcels to pallets, the tape proves its endless versatility. To every corner of the world, these rolls travel as ambassadors of quality. Day and night, the rhythm of production never falters. From plastic pellet to perfect roll, the journey concludes in mastery. In every roll lies the precision of millions before, packaging the world, one perfect tape at a time.